Today I'm going to review entire Wright audio interface bundle with mic. I will show the entire details in this video and mic testing, and will compare this audio totally. I will compare with a simple 3.5mm jack mic. So please stay tuned. Let me quick unbox. I ordered in Zomato for 4,499 rupees only with entire kit. Let me unbox it now very quickly. I have already connected with the one more mic to my PC. There's a ZBell02 mic. It connected with the 3.5mm to the XLR job. Now I am comparing with this mic to the Wright interface. Let's check that. Here is the Wright interface. They given the 3.0 USB to USB. I have to connect this to my PC in a USB mode. So I am going to connect that. They don't need any power cord to the connect with this USB. You can directly connect to the USB to USB chargers, then will be power on. When I'm going to put it into my PC in a USB mode, it will get switched on. As you can see, my monitor did turn on now. This is a 6.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack. I have to insert this into interface to connect my headphones. So I'm going to connect now this 6.5mm jack into interface. Here the interface plugin. This is a 6.5mm jack. I'm inserted in that. Now my headphones inserting in that plug. It inserted now. After inserting the plug, you can see the monitor. I'm going to insert the male plug-in into female plug. Female plug is an interface plug and male plug is our XLR plug. This is build quality is very cheap. I don't like actually. Now I'm going to set the Wright mic to my boom arm. It's here. I set everything. Now I'm going to compare the Wright mic interface and everything. What they given is not good quality. Now I'm going to compare this Wright audio interface to ZBell RC02 mic, which is connected to the 3.5mm jack to XLR cable. I'm using from 3 years. Now I'm going to compare entire this audio interface, Wright audio interface to ZBell RC02. Let's jump into the PC. Now I'm recording this audio with the ZBell mic, what I show in here, with the 3.5. I attached this mic to 3.5mm jack on my system. Now go to the sound section from right click and sounds, and you'll get open pop-up here. See, and in records, this is a record section. Record section, you will see the mics. Here the microphone which is I'm using now, ZBell RC02. It's connected to my PC with a 3.5mm jack without any audio interface. This is the Wright and mic and audio interface section. Let me demonstrate in Audacity. Let me open the Audacity program that I can show you the entire audio process. You have to connect audio interface. After opening the Audacity, you can see the both recording sections here, ZBell one and Wright audio interface. Both you can see here. My ZBell microphone records. let me open one track. I'm taking the mono track because I'm speaking in one mic only. As you can see, if you can see the monitor, as you can see, it's recording in my mic. Actually, the recording levels are very poor in my Zebel. Actually, I gained it on a FEO software. That's why it's look like this. But in noise section, there is so much noise in my Zebel mic. Now I'm going to stop. I'm switch it on other USB mic. As you can see, these levels are getting good. Now I'm going to take one more track. I will demonstrate it. Let me take one more track. Let me mute it. After muting, I'm taking one more track. Now I'm going to record in a Wright audio interface. As you can see, it's recording with the noise and with oh, what happened in this? Let me check the knobs, everything. It's not recording very good clarity. Let me check. Here is audio interface volume. This is a microphone line in volume up. Let me turn it on to the 60% to 70%. Now I'm going to 65%. The monitoring getting on. And backside is a 40 plus 48 phantom power is getting on. Now I on the 48 plus 48 phantom power. Let me go to the system. As you can see, we turned off the volume up to an interface. After interface turning in volume, it's getting in a loud way. Now I'm going to turn it down. Now I'm going to turn it on all the way up. Now I'm going to slowly turn it on. Yeah, as you can see, it's getting volume up. There's a huge amount of volume and without any noise. Now I'm going to check the noise level in a Zebel mic and at the same time Wright audio interface. I'm going to mute everything in every tab. I'm going to record in a Zebel mic, which is I have a 3.5 on jack. As you can see, not that much noise because my room is very noiseless. Zebel mic is, but levels of gain of levels is very low in a Zebel mic. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to take one more tab. After taking one more tab, I will check the entire process, entire noise level of Wright interface. Let me take the one more tab. Now I'm taking mono track and turn off entire volumes mute, entire tabs mute. I'm going to on and I'm going to record in the tab with the USB. As you can see, the gain level is 60 to 70% in my system and audio interface and everything knobs. As you can see, the noise levels is very high to compare to the Behringer UM2 audio interface and solo audio interface of Focusrite. I forgot to show the sound setting of the Wright interface. You have to go soundtracks and go to the recording section. After going to recording section, I turned on the 80 to 60% of volume. As you can see, I'm going to disable my original mic, actually Jebel mic. Now you can see the downside of this link. These are audio interface of Wright. This is going to huge levels of volume. There's a good level. In this budget section, 4,500 rupees budget section, this is a very well mic to purchase. No one have to put the extra budget in audio interfaces and mics. Better to take this volume. And now I set this around 60 to 70%. That's better for me because the noise level of this interface is a little bit high. That's why you choose the 60%. You choose any of this quality. I'm going to choose high levels of quality because it's giving 16 bits of quality, DVD quality. So I will select the high range of quality, 16 bits. So this is the best setting in audio interface. 60%. Uncheck this box if you don't want to listen your voice in speakers. Apply and OK. So please subscribe my channel and more videos I will get you. Next time I will show you how to record in Audacity, song levels, everything. In my channel also I added the audio interface and everything, and Audacity program, audio locals, vocals, everything. If you want any comments, I'm the producer of songs. I also record the songs and voice recordings. If you want anything from my side, I will tell you entire lessons of the audio interfaces. And very apology for my bad English. I will improve my English for you guys. If you want to know more lessons from me, please subscribe and like my channel. Please encourage me.